Ketosis is a normal metabolic process that provides several health benefits and acts as your body's first aid kit when the glucose level in your body is insufficient to meet daily bodily functions. Your body burns fat for fuel instead of glucose, using them as its main source of energy. It is safe and has many proven health benefits. Here are 7 effective tips on how to get into ketosis in 24 to 72 hours. Number 1. Minimize your carb consumption. If you're on a low carb diet, like the keto diet, you're generally allowed to consume up to 50 grams of carbs per day. Limiting your carb intake to 20 to 50 net grams per day lowers your blood sugar and insulin levels, leading to the release of stored fatty acids that your liver converts into ketones. Try reducing your carb intake to 20 grams or fewer to get into ketosis in 24 to 72 hours. You could also try eating no carbs for 24 hours to speed it up. Number 2. Include coconut oil in your diet. Eating coconut oil or MCT oil, which is medium chain triglycerides, usually derived from coconut oil, can help you get into ketosis. They provide health benefits such as improving your energy, cognitive performance, and boosting weight loss, and have been found to increase ketone levels, which can help sustain ketosis. When adding coconut oil to your diet, it's a good idea to do so slowly to minimize digestive side effects like stomach cramping or diarrhea. Start with 1 teaspoon per day and work up to 2 to 3 teaspoons daily over the course of a week. Number 3. Ramp up your physical activity. Engaging in physical activity can increase ketone levels during carb restriction. This effect may be enhanced by working out in a fasted state. When you exercise, you deplete your body of its glycogen stores. Normally, these are replenished when your body eats carbs, which are broken down into glucose, then converted to glycogen. However, if carb intake is minimized, glycogen stores remain low. In response, your body increases its production of ketones, which can be used as an alternate fuel source for your muscles. Number 4. Increase your healthy fat intake. Consuming at least 60% of calories from fat will help boost your ketone levels and help you reach ketosis. Consuming at least 60% of calories from fat will help boost your ketone levels and help you reach ketosis. Because fat makes up such a large percentage of a ketogenic diet, it's important to choose high-quality sources from both plants and animals. Good fats include olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, butter, lard, and tallow. However, extremely high fat intake doesn't necessarily translate into higher ketone levels. If your goal is weight loss, make sure you're not consuming too many calories in total, as this can cause your weight loss to stall. Number 5. Try a short fast, fat fast, or intermittent fasting. Fasting, intermittent fasting, and the fat fast can all help you get into ketosis relatively quickly. In fact, many people go into mild ketosis between dinner and breakfast. When trying intermittent fasting, have your dinner by 6 to 7 p.m. and avoid eating anything until the next day's lunch. Fat fasting. Fat fasting is another ketone boosting approach that mimics the effects of fasting. This combination of low calorie and very high fat intake may help you achieve ketosis quickly. And if you want to speed back into ketosis after a cheat day, consider doing a 24-hour water-only fast or a OMAD diet. Number 6. Maintain adequate protein intake. And hey, since you reached this far, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button so some great folks can join the family. Now, achieving ketosis requires a protein intake that is adequate but not excessive. It's important to consume enough protein to supply the liver with amino acids that can be used for gluconeogenesis. However, consuming too little protein can lead to muscle mass loss, whereas excessive protein intake may suppress ketone production. Number 7. Test ketone levels and adjust your diet as needed. It can be helpful to test your ketone levels to ensure you're achieving your goals. Using methods to test ketones can help you determine whether you need to make any adjustments to get into ketosis. So, fastest ketosis is possible if you reduce your carb intake below 50 or fewer carbs per day. 2. Exercise and practice intermittent fasting. MCT oil can also help, but please consult your doctor if you have any health conditions or take medications that may interfere with it. And there you have it, 7 effective tips on how to get into ketosis in 24 to 72 hours. And for more videos like this, check these out.